This is the wheelchair-accessible minibus, developed and converted by Tribus. In this video, we will show you how to safely transport passengers with the bus. Wheelchair users enter the vehicle via a wheelchair lift at the rear of the vehicle. Open the rear doors, and you will see the AMF Bruns linear lift. Turn the red key, located to the right of the lift, a quarter turn towards you to operate the lift. The lift is operated using a remote control, which you will also find to the right of the lift. The remote control has 4 options: down, unfold, fold, and up. If the remote control does not respond, it is in sleep mode. Press every button to reactivate it. To lower the lift, press the unfold button so the lift unfolds horizontally. Then press the down button to lower the lift to street level. Now you can wheel the wheelchair user onto the lift platform. Before using the lift, don't forget to engage the wheelchair brakes to transport the wheelchair user safely. Then take the remote control and press the up button to raise the lift to the bus level. Once the lift stops moving upwards and the platform is fully unfolded, you can place the remote control back in its holder. Release the wheelchair brakes and assist the wheelchair user into the vehicle. Drive the wheelchair into position with 2 red belts at the front and 2 black belts at the back. Apply the wheelchair brakes and release the strap from the lock by pulling the central black lever behind the wheelchair. The red button next to the lever will pop up, indicating that the anchor points are released. You can now begin securing the wheelchair. First, attach the red XXL straps from Tribus at the front. These provide ample freedom of movement, making it easier to position the wheelchair. Then, fasten the black straps at the back to secure it in place. You can now press the red button with your foot to lock all the straps. Move the wheelchair back and forth to check the straps. Use the 3-point belt to securely fasten the wheelchair user. The belts are located behind the wheelchair. Connect the belt on the window side to the coupling. Loop the belts around the wheelchair user and click them into place. Ensure the belt is comfortable and secure. To release the wheelchair passenger, undo the 3-point belt and store the belts in the designated holders. Then pull the central black lever in the middle of the floor system to unlock the straps. Once this is done, you can release the wheelchair brakes and move the wheelchair user to the lift platform at the rear of the vehicle. Don't forget to apply the brakes on the wheelchair again at this point. Then press the down button on the remote control to lower the lift to street level. Once the lift platform is fully unfolded, you can release the brakes and wheel the wheelchair off the lift platform. To raise the lift again, take the remote control and press up until the lift stops. Then press fold to fold the lift and bring it into the vehicle. You can place the remote control in the holder, lock the lift by turning the red key a quarter turn towards the bus, and close the doors. You can then continue driving safely. Pedestrians can enter the vehicle through the side sliding door, which reveals an electric step when opened, making it easier to get in. To the left of the steering wheel, there is an orange light that blinks when the side step is extended. If the light continues to blink while driving, it indicates a malfunction and that the step cannot retract. The vehicle is equipped with TriflexAIR, the most lightweight folding and swiveling seats from Tribus. Press the red lever to rotate the seat to the driving direction. Fold down the seat and position the armrest horizontally. The headrest is adjustable, and each seat is equipped with a 3-point belt and ISOFIX for safe transportation of child seats. To fold and rotate the seat again, lower the headrest, fold up the armrest and seat, and press the red lever again to rotate the seat against the driving direction. We wish you safe and comfortable journeys with the wheelchair-accessible minibus.